Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the timeline, I'm going to show you how to pay your Skyro loan using your GCash via QR code. So this method is super fast and convenient and no need to worry because this is already came from their own website. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Skyro app and go to your payment or bill section. After that, tap on Pay Now, then make a payment. Choose GCash QR code as your payment option. The app will generate the QR code. Either save it or just keep it on the screen. Alright, so now let's move on to GCash. Now open your GCash app, then Pay QR. Then choose Scan QR or upload the QR if you save it. So just scan and upload, and enter the amount you want to pay, and then confirm your payment. After you've done that, you will receive a confirmation both from GCash and in your Skyro account. So that's it. That's how easy it is to pay your Skyro loan using your GCash and the QR code. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.